Hi, I'm Mayana with Heartwood Art, and today I'll show you how to get the rotation tool to work properly on any axis in SketchUp so that you can flip things the way you want. So let's dive in. Let's have a look at this board that I've made into a component. It's colored on every side to help us see the rotations. Now let's bring up the rotation tool. You can click on it in the left sidebar or hit Q on the keyboard, and that brings up the protractor. And when you hover your mouse over different faces, you can see that the protractor changes to match the axis of rotation. Now we also have a dot or crosshair in the center. That will be the anchor point of the rotation. And maybe an easy way to picture this is with a wheel that has a lever. So let's hover over a point like this end point on the board here. And that's going to be our anchor point. So let's click once on that. And be sure to let go of your mouse button. Just click there once. And then move your mouse to the right. Can you see the little red dot that is drawing out? That's going to be our lever. And you'll see the protractor turn in line with that direction too. In this case, we want to keep it parallel to the red axis. Okay, click your mouse there as that defines the end of your lever. Now move your mouse around the wheel. See how it turns with that lever around the wheel? Now, watch your angle, because when you get to a 90-degree increment, it's going to snap into place. And if that's what you want, just stop moving your mouse and click. But if you want something else, maybe get as close as you can to it. Stop moving your mouse, but don't click. And then type in the angle that you want. Let's say I want 75 and hit enter. Now, keep in mind that if you want to rotate it again, the angle will start at 0 from this orientation. I'm going to hit Control-Z to put it back to where it was. And you can anchor the rotation tool on any point and rotate in any direction that you like. So maybe let's get on the center of the board. Click there, draw out our rotation. And I want to rotate on the green axis. Click there. And I can just spin it to my heart's content. I can do the same thing with this midpoint. I'm going to click there, draw it out on the red axis, click there, and then move my mouse. Okay, that's it. Be sure to subscribe and see other SketchUp tips on this channel to help you create models the easy and fast way.